Hi friends, this is Lokesh. Welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. Today we are going to discussing about the if-else statements in Java. Basically, if statement is to control the flow of the program because you want to execute some piece of code. That code, when the condition is reached, you want to execute. Then the statements will work. Example like in college times, in the university is providing the grade A, grade B, grade C, right? In this scenario, we can able to achieve using the if-else statements and we can able to provide the grades. Once the certain condition is true, like we are giving 90% is A grade means if the if condition is having the student name equal to 90, then it is able to give the grade A. How much percentage is based upon that total calculation and they are giving the percentage. That percentage, if we are both are matching, then the student grade will be displayed. Like that we can able to achieve using the if else statements. Here the if first we are going to discussing of the if statement. In this if statement, this is a syntax: if conditional statement and outside of the kind of statements. This is what, right? When the user is given like a equal to 20, when the condition is a equal to 20, if this condition is reached, then it will go inside of the if statement and it will print that what exactly we are given the condition. If we are given any mathematical operation, it will do that mathematical operation, it will come outside. Otherwise it will directly jump to the outside and it will execute the code remaining. I'll show you the example program. See, now I have int number equal to 10. If number is greater than 0, I'm going to print some value. Inside if, then I'm going to print outside the print. Okay, now we'll run and we'll see. Both values, because 10 is great, right? Both values. Now the same value I'm going to do that -5. Only one value it will execute. Outside if, because -5 is not greater than 0, it is less than the 0. That's why it is printed outside, because this is a false condition. Once the condition is reached, like both the values are equal, it will give the true. If it not equal, then it will give the false, it will come outside of the if statement. Then second condition is, we have another one, if else condition. If condition and statement here, and else statement. Here some statements. Here what is how it will behave, right? If it a equal to 20, but it will gives inside, it will go for the inside the if condition, it will print and it will come for the outside of the remaining code. In case a equal to equal a not equal to 20 means it is not equal to 20, then it will comes to else condition and execute, then it will come to the outside. I'll show you the program wise. The same condition I'm going to give the else statement. Else inside else. Okay, now I'm going to uh, here I'll give equal to 0. Okay, it will print inside if and outside the if, both, right? Now I am going to give 1. Inside the else condition, then print. If I am giving the -5, previous you check only it will come outside, right? Once it is not equal, then it is going down. Now see again it will print it else condition, then it will counter because both the values are not reached. In this condition it is not reached the true, that's why it is where it is jumped to the else condition, it will print it. If it is less than or greater than of the 0, then it will print the else condition because we given the else. Once it is not reached, the if condition is not successful, then it will go for the else condition, it will print the outside of the remaining code. And we have the if else statements, sorry, if statements. Here if condition 1, if it is true, statement will print, okay. Otherwise we need to print else if again condition, and we are printing the else if condition statements. If both the condition is not equal, then we are going to print for the else statements. How it behaves like, first condition, if it is reach a equal to 20, then it will print inside. If we are given a equal to 5, because a we already declared 20, but a equal to 5, then it will go to the else condition, it will check again another condition whether here a equal to 20 is present or not. If it is present, else if condition, then it will go and inside it will print that. Otherwise it will print the else statement and it will print the outside of the else statement. Same thing I will show you here. And now the same condition, again one more if condition, number equal to 5, printing the else if. Otherwise print the else statement inside else statement. Okay, now I'm giving the -5, it will directly jump to the else statement and it will print first, right? And now I'm going to give +5, it will print if else if statement, then it will print the outside else if statement, then it will print the outside of the if statements. If I'm giving 0, first statement it will print and it will jump to the next statement. See, if statement is print, then finally outside the if statement is printed, correct? Now the final topic in our video, nested else if else. First is if condition, okay, if both are equal, another if condition it will check, and here it will print the statement whether it is correct or not. Once it is correct, it will print. If it is not correct, else statement, and it will print the statements. Otherwise it will print the outside of the another else condition. And here also we can able to provide the same these conditions. Again else place also we can able to use the same if else condition whether it is satisfiable or not. If it is satisfied, then it will work, it will print the based upon the statement. How it works we'll see here. In the program I'm going to print two different ways. Now I'm going to take one double one because we need to print length, right? Double n1 equal to minus 1.0 and n2 equal to 4.5 and n3 equal to minus 5.3, and we'll use the largest number. Okay, here first condition I will check n1 greater than n2. If it is meet the condition, then I need to go for the equal to mention if condition, another if condition. Here I need to check n1 equal to greater than or equal to n3 or not. If it is yes, then I'm going to print n1 is largest. And then else n3 is large. Then same thing I will print here. I'll check here n2 is greater than or equal to n3 if both is equal to n3. Okay, we'll see n2 is a largest number because first condition it checks that this minus and this value are it is n1 is greater or not, we check, right? Not, because minus 1.0 is less, right, comparing to 4.5. That's why it is jumped to else condition. It is checking here both the values because 4.5 is a large comparing to minus 5.3. That's why it is printing the outside inside the n2 is the largest number. That's all about this video. If you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.